In today's show, I'm going to be sharing with you how the Bitcoin price could hit $70,000 by the end of 2020, BTC to the moon. Also in today's episode, Bitcoin just surpassed $9,000. It means a full-blown crypto rally is just beginning. This is just the tip of the iceberg, my friend. I'll be breaking it down in today's episode. Also in today's show, the BTC price should stay above $10,100 on its way to a new all-time high. We're going to be discussing this. We'll also be taking a look at the top cryptocurrencies. As you can see, the entire crypto market is pumping. Once again, I'll be doing a Bitcoin price action. All this plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every day. So be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And before we kick off today's show, if interested in tapping into OPM, other people's money to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, click that link right below the video in the description. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV, and let's dive right into today's top story on how the Bitcoin price could hit $70,000 by the end of 2020. Bitcoin price prediction models vary greatly, but one analyst that has been correct on numerous occasions has plotted a path to $70,000 Bitcoin by the end of the year. So Bitcoin holding its gains? Yes, indeed. There has been no pullback since the crypto market erupted a couple days ago, and Bitcoin is holding its gains for the past few hours. Bitcoin's been trading just below $8,700, but it started to move again, topping $8,800 as it reaches resistance. And taking a look at the current BTC price, we can see it's trading at $8,822, up 0.75% in the past 24 hours. So the bulls are back in control of the markets, and there has been no dumping yet this year. Hallelujah, right? Since January 1st, Bitcoin has notched up a gain of 24%, outperforming most traditional assets and many of its crypto brethren. Bitcoin dominance has fallen. However, following the epic altcoin pump earlier this week, it is currently 67.5%, its lowest level since late October. Popular crypto Twitter commentator Whale Panda pulled up a Bitcoin price prediction chart drawn back in 2018 by TradingView user Pentra Yudi. Despite being over 2 years old, his work predicted Bitcoin's price movement to date flawlessly. And checking out this tweet over here on Twitter, you could see he wrote, "I'm not easily impressed by charts, but this guy nailed the Bitcoin chart since December of 2018. Impressive." And I'll be sure to include this in the show notes below the video in the description so you can check it out for yourself. The crypto capitulation in December 2018 was predicted as Bitcoin fell to $3,200. The top of around 14K in the middle of last year was correctly called, as was the 50% pullback into the 6,000 region. His prediction for Bitcoin price at the moment is spot on at just below $9,000. If that uncanny accuracy continues to apply, Bitcoin should continue to climb throughout the year, breaking its all-time high in June just after the halving. Following that, prices could blast all the way up to $70,000 by the end of 2020, all the way up. Several aspects could influence such a move, including the halving, which many assert has not been factored into current prices. I covered this in yesterday's show, where Tom Lee said specifically the Bitcoin halving is not priced in. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments. But add to that the premise of further geopolitical and economic tensions, and there is a recipe for a bull market. You can say that again. Once Bitcoin reaches the five-figure level again, the FOMO will escalate and new capital should start flowing in. Now let's talk about the short-term direction. Analysts are also eyeing much shorter-term movements as Bitcoin struggles to top 9,000. Trader Big Sheds has noted the formations and is calling a pullback. Let's check out Big Shed's tweet here on Twitter. Bitcoin 4-hour potential bull trend break-in progress. And then he added to that, Bitcoin 4-hour so far, so good. Current support lies at 8,500 with further levels at 8,100. On the upside, the 200-day moving average would serve as resistance just above $9,000. Economist Alex Kruger has considered the Chinese New Year a factor in the notion that Bitcoin will be sold off to buy gifts. Here's what Alex Kruger shared on crypto Twitter. Some think the Chinese New Year may impact Bitcoin negatively as people sell Bitcoin to purchase presents. Chinese New Year starts the second new moon after the winter solstice. This year it falls on January 25th. Data indicates that Bitcoin does not underperform preceding the Chinese New Year, and he included this graph, which I'll include in the show notes, and it shows Bitcoin returns preceding the Chinese New Year. And Alex Kruger added to it saying notable underperformance if looking at returns of the days preceding the week before the New Year. An example for 2020, the daily average 5 days preceding NY7 would represent the daily average return between January 12th and January 17th, something to watch out for in 2021. And in other crypto news, Bitcoin just surpassed $9,000. It means a full-blown crypto rally is just beginning. Here's why, but before we break this down, let's take a look at the overall cryptocurrency market. As you can see, all the major cryptos are pumping, minus Bitcoin Satoshi Vision, which got knocked back down, and Bitcoin Cash is ahead, which is very interesting after we saw a notorious BSV pump over the past few days. BSV is currently down 7%, trading at $302. Bitcoin Cash back on top above BSV, up 4.5%, trading at $340. And Bitcoin is up 1%, trading at $8,844, which is interesting to see. I believe if we can surpass this $9,000 resistance, we will continue to climb right on up, right on target, right on point. And XRP is even up 1.9%, trading at 23 cents. EOS is up 5%, trading at $3.89. Miss Litecoin, good to see pumping again, up 3.8%, trading at $59. BNB coin up 3%, trading at $17.47. Even Link up 11%, trading at $2.70. Crypto indicators flip bullish across the board. Adaptive Capital's Morad, formerly of Goldman Sachs, recently wrote on Twitter that bears are diluted at best, dishonest at worst, drawing attention to the below chart, which shows that the BTC price has crossed above a number of key moving averages. These are including but not limited to the 120-day simple moving average, the 200-day exponential moving average, and the 50-week SMA and 100-week SMA. So as you can see, he wrote on Twitter, bears are diluted at best, dishonest at worst. Touche. And the only person that comes to my mind is Peter Schiff, who made that bearish Bitcoin price prediction saying Bitcoin was going to be trading back at $1,000. Take that, Peter Schiff. Take that. This chart indicates the momentum in the crypto market is almost entirely bullish. Should Bitcoin reclaim the 200-day SMA as shown on this chart, a full-blown rally could be had. For Bitcoin trending above all these levels is a rare and auspicious occurrence. That's far from the only reason analysts are saying this move is indicative of an impending crypto bull market. The lucid stop and reversal indicator, which signals a stop and entry in the opposite direction when it reverses, just printed an extremely bullish signal. The indicator printed its first buy signal since March of 2019, which was prior to a 330% rally that brought Bitcoin above 10,000 and the crypto assets dozens of percent higher. Fundamentals equally as strong. This latest surge higher comes hot on the heels of a report from Glassnode, a crypto and blockchain analytics firm, that the Bitcoin network's mean hash rate per one-day rolling moving average has just reached a one-year high of 125 exahashes. As you can see here in this tweet from Glassnode Alerts, Bitcoin mean hash rate just reached a one-year high of, I don't even know how to say that number, so I'm not going to pretend I know how to. And then it shows you the previously one-year high, and you can view this metric, which I'll include in the show notes below the video in the description for you to check it out. And while there isn't an instant correlation between Bitcoin's hash rate and prices, the fact that miners continue to siphon resources into mining crypto assets bodes well for the long-term trend of this space. And now let's check out the next story for the day. The Bitcoin price should stay above $10,100 on its way to a new all-time high. As the Bitcoin price continues to buck the traditional January blues and inch ever upwards, increasingly bullish sentiment is returning. Popular analyst Josh Rhaegar tweeted that the price should stay above $10,100 on its way to a new all-time high. And checking out this tweet from Josh Rhaegar, he wrote BTC uptrend, fixed range volume profile shows the importance of point of control for a major range to act as support. 2018 point of control held as support at 6,400. In my opinion, we should see 2019 point of control act as support at 10,100, which equals the price should stay above 10,100 on its way to a new all-time high. So this is very bullish for Bitcoin. And checking out this graph, it says once price breaks above the point of control of previous range, should act as support at 10,100s. And then it shows the point of control of the previous range acted as support at 6,400s. And checking out some of the replies to Josh Rhaegars' tweet, She wrote, the concept of point of control is likely beneficial for safe trade. I agree to what you said, but 10,100 as a point of control for this year, I'm expecting safe growth year with stability at 16 to 17,000. People this time will be more careful after learning from the 2017 speculation experience. Alay responded, thanks Josh. I don't know if it's a blessing or a curse that crypto never sleeps. And Josh Rhaegars responded, it's fun to watch. Money to be made in this volatility, but it can be exhausting at the same time. Bitcoin Booyah wrote, you think it'll hit 10,100 before it retraces? And Josh Rhaegars responded, I don't necessarily think that. It's an example that I have to use from previous price action. That's to show its resistance now. And once flip support, it should hold strong there and will likely be the last time we see Bitcoin under 10,000 for a long while. The current cryptocurrency market cap is sitting at $244 billion with $128 billion in volume in the past 24 hours. And it's nice to see the crypto volume maintaining its 100 billion plus volume, and the current Bitcoin dominance is 66.1%. And taking a look at the top cryptos here on CoinMarketCap, we can see Bitcoin Cash took the reins as number 4 above Bitcoin Satoshi Vision, knocking BSV down to the number 5 slot. And taking a look at the top cryptocurrency gainers in the past 24 hours, Ethereum Classic is leading the pack up 32%, trading at $10.17. Monacoin up 26%, trading at $1.25. Matic Network up 16%, trading at 1.8 cents. Bytecoin up 13%, trading at 0.0003. Cosmos up 12%, trading at $4.91. And Icon up 12%, trading at 15 cents. And as we can scroll down, you can just see how many gainers there are in this crypto market at the moment. And now let's take a look at the biggest losers in the past 24 hours. We have Swipe down 10%, trading at $1.29. Seal down 9%, trading at 11.8 cents. Bitcoin Gold down 6% after pumping in recent days, now trading at $12.69. Centrality down 5%, trading at 7.6 cents. Decentraland down 5%, trading at 3.6 cents. And Bitcoin Diamond down 4%, trading at 69 cents. And checking out the BitMEX margins, we can see the bulls are obviously in control, leading with about 87 million in superiority in the past 24 hours, with longs leading 51.2% versus 48.7% shorts. Are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin right now? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. And checking out the crypto greed and fear index, we're currently rated a 54, which is neutral. Yesterday rated a 55 in greed, and last week rated a 50 neutral, and last month rated a 23 in extreme fear. And if you're not familiar with the crypto greed and fear index, extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this Bitcoin/crypto rocket ship heading straight to the moon, infinity, and beyond. If you got value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And real quick before I go, if interested in tapping into OPM, other people's money, to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, click that link right below the video in the description. And I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.